should, yeah, this is 10 to 12 now.
Hi everybody, just thought I'd do a little vlog today, catch up a little bit, just to let you know I'm okay. I'm okay, I'm struggling on like we all are, so don't worry, it's fine. I am, have moments of, grief for the little pops. It kind of just waves over you, have a little cry and then get on again. So that's what you do, isn't it, when you lose a pet? Apologies about the state, but no makeup day today. No makeup today. I'm doing job hunting this week online, which is just an absolute bleh. God, it's so difficult. Number one, I am absolutely useless with computers, and when I say useless, I mean useless. Yesterday I managed to write a cover letter on Word, and it might not sound anything to you, but to me that's a big thing. And I even managed to attach it to an email, so there's one job application gone. So I'm trying, but it takes me probably like 4 times as long as anybody else would to apply for a job because of the computer lack of computer skills, let's put it like that. Mum's having her CT scan tomorrow, and she's got an angiogram booked for Monday as well, so I'll be going up at the weekend and I'll be staying Sunday night to take her to the angiogram appointment, so that's fine. And I have got something to unbox because I bought a lovely little vase from a lady called Joey Ruthers, who I follow on Instagram, and she does these really quirky little vases and vases, brooches, little dishes, trinket dishes, and they're so cool. I loved them, so I wanted to get something that sort of commemorated Pop, so that every time I looked at it I would remember her. And so I bought it. So I'm going to open that now and show you. I haven't got it. It's in the other room. Okay. So here it is. This is the box. It's got a little pussycat that she's drawn on the front, and it says "Fragile, thank you." and there's one on that side as well. So I'm going to open it up. And I've wanted to open this for ages, but I really wanted to record it and show you. So I have waited, I have resisted. Let's hope it got here in one piece, because that would be disaster. Oh, look, there's one here as well. You should check her out on Instagram. She is cool. She does some really quirky, different things, which is always good. Right, here we go. So we've got some bubble wrap, and we've got my vase, I think, which looks like a green Dalek right now. And oh my gosh. Oh. Now, when I told her that this was to commemorate Pop, she said, send me a photograph and I will include a sketch of her, which I thought was so kind. And she has. It's so cute. Oh. And she says, thank you so much for your order. Your cat looked like a magical puppet. Joey, look, it's Pop. Can you see? How adorable. That is absolutely lovely. Look, oh, she's put Pop down there. Oh, that's so nice. I'm going to cry. That's so lovely. I'm going to frame it. That's so lovely. What an absolutely lovely thing to do for someone. So cute. It's great. Love it. Look how cute this is. It's a kind of funky, abstract pussycat vase. A little hole here, so you put little posies in it. Little, here's the tail. Don't you just love that? I love it. Look, can you see? Let me see. Hello. How gorgeous is that? Yes, Joey Ruthers. Here we go. Look, here's the mark. You definitely need to check her out on Instagram. She's got some really funky pieces. Everything seems to be black and white, which I really love. And really fluid and just really different. You're not going to find this anywhere on the high street, that's for sure. And they're all handmade. I love them. Look. So there we go. That is my little commemoration to the pops. I shall have flowers in it for her, and I'm definitely putting that in a frame. That's really good. Love it. Absolutely love it. Okay. The next thing I need to do while I am avoiding looking for jobs online is I thought it was about time I tried to propagate. Is that the word? I'm going to propagate my babies on my money plant. My money plant isn't looking that good. It's gone this horrible kind of light green colour, and I'm pretty sure they're meant to be this dark green colour. This one has had many babies. You can see the many babies. Babies, babies, more babies. There's lots of babies. So I believe that when there's lots of babies in there, the pot can get a bit overcrowded, and then it sucks the nutrients out of the soil, and then the big plant doesn't get enough nutrients. Maybe. Also might be in too bright a spot for it. What I can do is try and propagate without killing the plant or the babies. So that's what we're going to do. That's what I'm going to do. I've got this. This is, my mum gave me this as a present a while ago, and it's for, you know, little buds, but I thought it would be perfect to propagate, because apparently you take the babies off and you put them in water, and then it takes a couple of weeks for them to grow roots, and then you can plant the babies. That's the idea anyways. So I have obviously looked at YouTube, the oracle of everything, and I am now going to propagate. Hopefully. I'll lower you down so you can see what I'm doing, because I'm such an expert. First baby is there. Look at all the babies. So I'm going to do what she did on the video. I'm going to gather the leaves up. Gather the leaves up, and then I have to snip as close to the root as possible. I'm going in. Ah. Baby. I'm going to put in here. Ta-ta! See? Right, baby number two. Baby number two is a big baby. Definitely a big baby. So, baby number two. And I plan on giving these to some people, some friends. Apparently this is also called the friend plant or something, because it grows so many babies that you can give them to friends. But I just don't want to kill it. I don't think I can take any more out. So I'm fairly happy with that actually. Fairly happy. So yeah, gotta find somewhere for these little munchkins to live. How exciting is that? Massively exciting. Now I need to get on with some work. How do you like the office set up? Put my face on, feeling a little bit more alive and myself, which is nice. Put some beauty booster on, some Tropic beauty booster. It's like their sheer foundation, and it is pretty good. Pretty good. I'm enjoying it. It's going to rain, so I need to go and get my washing in, which is a bit boring. I have I've had to stop with the old job applications because it was just, you know what it's like, trawling through jobs that you just have no idea what the jobs are and you don't want to do them anyway. So I've applied 5 so far. I've applied for 5 jobs, so we'll see what happens there. Won't hold my breath. Right, get the washing in before it rains, very important. And then I'm just going to mention something about Tropic because I'm doing a little giveaway. If you order something tonight, short notice I know, but I've only just sort of thought to tell you about it on YouTube. And then I was thinking I might pop out. I've got to go to Marks and Spencer's and take some sale stuff back that I bought that just looks awful. So I thought I might pop out and exchange those, get that done, just so I can get some fresh air in the car. And yeah, stop waffling and get the washing in before it absolutely hammers it down. I must show you my new hoover. I bought a new hoover because I killed the other one because I hoovered up damp plant with it. If you ever think of hoovering up damp plant with your hoover, don't. Because it absolutely wrecks it. It honks. You can't get the smell out. It's absolutely disgusting. Every time you use it, it just smells like dirty old socks times 100. It's disgusting. So I had to buy a new hoover, which was not what you need right now, but lesson learned. So I decided to get one of these cordless ones because I've got a very tiny flat. I don't need to be lugging around a massive hoover, a corded hoover, which has just been a right pain, to be quite honest with you. So I bought a shark. And I've used it about 3 times, and it doesn't sound very strong, but boy does it get dirt out of the carpet. My God, it's amazing. I've used it 3 times now, and I've filled up the thing 3 times with dust and dirt and stuff. I don't know where it's coming from. It's quite worrying. But anyway, I'll show it to you because it's kind of cool. Okay, so here she is. She is teeny tiny. As you can see, she folds over. It's genius. Okay, so here she is. Dun, dun, dun. So cool. Is it underneath? No, it's not. Okay, so the underneath one here detaches this bit. So the bit I want is this bit, which is quite obvious really because it's on the front. So you press this, which way? Yeah. Press this way. I've only had it a few days. And it goes like that. And that goes into a nice big, well, I say big, it's a handheld hoover, right? See? This is really, really bad demonstration. Ta-ta-ta. How cool is that? And the coolest part is that it will go underneath things like, right, ready? Like this. Ta-ta-ta. So it folds in the middle so that you can get it underneath furniture. Oh, might as well switch it on. And then you just foldies. Stories. Should I make a hoover demonstrator? No. While I'm in the mood for show and tell, I thought I'd show you some of my earrings that I've been making. So very pleased with them. They are for sale, UK only, I'm sorry, for now. Forever. I'll show you them and you can see what you think. So these are the first ones. I love these. I'm actually quite tempted to keep these. You can see those? There we go, they're so pretty. Sort of like little metal ones, white beads, and then black with like little white bits on it, little beads. They're the first ones. They are, I think they're navy blue, and they've got like a little metal bead there. And they are very, very cute. Then I did some turquoise beads with little leaves. Then these are kind of cool. These are like a sort of, kind of like a painted-y effect, like black and white, the painted effect. I thought they was quite Scandi with a little white bead. Then we have very autumnal ones with a green bead and these lovely silver leaves. I think these are really pretty, really, really nice for autumn. Then I did some pink, little pink beads. They're not rose quartz, they are just beads, but they do look very much like rose quartz. Then we have, when I visited Suffolk, I picked up these beads from a little sort of antique shop. I thought they were really cool. These are actually stone, and these are little sort of plastic but metal look beads. But they are actual sort of stone, which is very cute. Then same for these ones. It's a sort of metallic-y plastic bead. They're around the wrong way. With the little shells, and then these are stones. And these are the same little stones, but with little beads in between. Then we've got some more autumnals got mixed up. There we go. Really lovely kind of amber look. Focus. An amber look bead here with the little leaves. That's the word I'm looking for. Leaves. And again, an amethyst look with a little leaf metal beads. And then we have some sort of more modern, a turquoise bead with an clear acrylic bead, which I thought was quite minimal and Scandi. Then we have another sort of autumnal look, these lovely beads and the leaf beads. And then I think we haven't done these ones. They're similar to the first, but a bit different. And I think these are really nice as well. So there you go. That's the earring selezione. They're on silver plated ear hooks. So if you're interested in any of those, give me a shout. But let me know. Let me know if you like any of them and if you want any of them, and we can arrange sending them to you. I've also been watching quite a lot of YouTube videos on this stuff. Oh gosh, what do they call it? Can't remember now. Some modelling clay, but I can't remember. It's poly something, isn't it? Can't remember. Poly something clay anyway. I've got one that looks sort of like stone, which I thought was really interesting. I loved the look of that. And then I got a teal. Is it teal? Stardust is called. Stardust. A stardust one, which I think might be slightly glittery. I don't know. You can't really see in there, but that looks really nice. I thought that would go well together. I got a gorgeous gold, metallic gold as well, and a pearl. And I want to make some jewellery with those as well. because I've seen so many of these lovely clay earrings that I thought I was inspired. I was inspired to try and make some. But I have got this, had this for ages. This is a sausage dog cookie cutter, and I thought it would make a really nice brooch out of the clays. So I'm going to try making a brooch, a little sausage dog brooch. I've got my not ruler, what is it? It's a rolling pin, isn't it? It's a clay rolling pin. All these things you need that you have no idea about. I even bought a tile. Hang on. They say to use a tile to do this clay stuff. So I bought a tile so that I can, you know, roll it out on there and play around with it. Haven't done any yet because I'm job hunting, and I'm supposed to be job hunting, but I thought, you know, I could do it in a break or on a day off, you know. I'm thinking Monday to Friday job hunt, Saturday, Sunday chill out and make things. So that's what I'm going to do anyway. Or at least I'm going to try. And I think it's good for your mental health, isn't it? Having a hobby takes your mind off things, and if it's going to, well, if you can sell them at the end of the day as well, I mean, that's a bonus, isn't it? But generally, if it's going to give you another skill and it's going to quieten your mind for a while, then I think you've got nothing to lose, really, have you, by doing it? So I'm going to give those a go. The other thing that I'm going to mention really briefly about Tropic, I know that annoys some of you, so I'm not going to go on about it. But obviously, as some of you know, I'm a Tropic ambassador. I've got a giveaway running at the moment, which is just today. So I've got to get this uploaded pretty quickly. If you make a purchase on my webpage today, and I'll link it down below in my little description box, the first 5 people who make a purchase will be entered into a giveaway to win some Tropic Face Smooth, which is an incredible face exfoliant. Well, you can use it all over your body, actually. Arms is really good. Acai berry extract, macadamia oil and bamboo silica, which is what provides all the exfoliation. It's really quite intense, so you don't have to press hard, just really softly, otherwise it's going to rip your skin off. That's probably not the best way to say it, but yeah. If you want to be entered into the giveaway, you just need to make a purchase on my webpage tonight, and then tomorrow I will pull names out of a hat to win this Face Smooth. It's full size, it's 100 ml, vegan, cruelty-free, Tropic, say no more, it's wonderful stuff. And what was I going to say? UK only, sorry, UK only. So if you are needing top-ups of anything, go for it, and you could win a full-size Face Smooth. I seem to be loving my clean carpet so much that I just can't get off it. That, and I've run out of steam. So I'm going to say goodnight here. I think I need some gin. It's getting quite late, but I just really fancy a gin. Did I say gin? Have I mentioned gin? I might go and get a gin. Anyway, so I'm going to finish this here. You don't need to come to the supermarket with me. It's very boring. Don't forget to enter the giveaway if you want to. If you've got anything to buy from Tropic, if you buy it tonight, I'll enter you into the giveaway for the free Face Smooth. So I've got nothing to lose. Hope you enjoyed the video. It was nice to catch up with you guys and share some things with you. Hope you enjoyed, and speak to you very soon. Hope you're all doing well. Staying strong. We need to stay strong. Night night.